Possible nearest solution. It is a case of vaccination of 4 lakh newly born Korean people. Young ones increasingly every year set up a permanent Korean Health Commission for a long period. Point number 2. Vaccination is marked and signaling body immune system forever, and if done haphazardly, it could create an immense number of problems in future. The simple equation is 4 lakh into 30 types of vaccines. If implemented by the different private run organization, their mark of identity would different and no mechanism of tracing the entire process would exist. Point 3. It is essential to set up a commission and do the task to vaccine every born child with traceable accountability. Point number 4. No private license distribution vaccination system, no scattered vaccination without trace origin, no haphazard system of vaccination without a trace of origin. Point number 5. Almost impossible to eradicate a system of medicine once they adopt it in an entire Korean society. It would become impossible once a mass-scale vaccination starts without a track record of history. Later on, to run away from the memory of the immune system of Korean society would become impossible. Point number 6. Korean government should adopt vaccination technology in accordance to complete availability, complete mass level procurement, entire time phase to test its time proven versatility. Point number 7. Lurk towards the lure of new incomplete vaccination technology will prove fatal. If it is not a complete set of applied long-term frame laboratory tested approval from varied reliable sources, it would further create an invisible catastrophe. Point number 8. Korean government should understand the dire consequence of mass level marking of the immune system of millions of Koreans. It must view the entire situation as once they would mark it could not change later. 9. Point number 9. The respectable government has to prove its accountability, long-term time frame, accessibility, and easy availability. Once a wrong system is implemented, the time would have gone away and it would not gain again. Point number 10. The government should, point number 10. The government should act as a vigilant factor while vaccination is get done on a long time frame equation, say for 30-40 years of change in vaccination technology. When a complete set of cheaper and cost-effective to all, the availability of technology becomes a possibility. Point number 11. Test million times a new set of vaccination procedure. For example, recombinant DNA technology could become a better solution, but only wealthy individuals, as most of the DNA technology is exorbitantly costly and could apply only for a single individual. Similarly, Nanotechnology vaccination system is still in the research field and needs a tremendous amount of and number of trials and a long period of approval. Still in the research and seldom a few people are involved in this technology. Point number 12. Granting government controls to various private and house fancy names corporation with no longer time frame accountability would make a hole in the entire Korean society's immune system. Remember, mass level vaccination of different origins and contracts would create a different array of Korean genome system. And on longer time frame, once it would become uncontrolled, no one can achieve or retrieve back the previous stage of distorted immune system control of entire Korean society. Thanks for listening.